Hey, hello everybody. Today is Wednesday, 8:29 a.m. Eastern Time. Sorry for the delay to update the dark pool, but only Tuesday, this is happened because that's my jiu-jitsu, my son's jiu-jitsu day. So he has jiu-jitsu class on Tuesday. Also, are you delayed today? Because today is the end of the year dinner from my wife company, so I need to join her, and consequently, I will delay the dark pool database again. Apologize for that, but happens. So, yesterday I told you that they could be squeezers, but this morning I just review, and they sold this call, this 400K call. They sold, they didn't bought. So this is a became a resistance 3,965 70. Now is the resistance. Okay. For this week, serious, I'm not seeing any bullish book up to Friday. Tomorrow, I put a note over here. We have the unemployment rates, right, at 8:30. And according the book, so far we have $23 million in the money puts. According the book, will come better than expected. Means Fed will take liquid from the market. Market's liquid. No liquidity, market's going down. Period. Period. Market's not economic data. Market's not company results. Market's not recession or a bullish, economy. Market is liquidity. Federal Reserve take liquidity from the market. Markets drop, sunk, crash, wherever. Okay, so on Tuesday, December 8th, looks like that you see the U.S. unemployment rate better than expected. So for the end of the week, I'm looking for those big orders. This guy line 205, he's really interested to sell at 3,900. If market will be below 3,900, he will exercise this code, even if the exercise price is 3,765. So I'm look for those regions. Yes, I'm looking for those regions. But I'm more confident, regarding graph because you have other orders. It's kind of high as well. Seven. I mean, they don't even need to exercise this one because they pay it. We can check right now. He pay. I will check later because he pay $134. If he's costing $2,200 right now, they already make a lot of money. They can close before the expiration date. Okay, you consult how much it is right now, and you put a note in the spreadsheet. But I'm look for others huge orders that the price 3,836, 3,819. That level, I'm more confident to tell you guys that Friday will close around those levels. Why? Let's go to the graph right now. Because 3,818, 3,820, we will close the gap and we will test the bullion band bottom line. Okay? Usually we have been testing and we see a spike. Okay? So, end of the week, Friday, end of the day on Friday, we could back test and close around 3,820. More than I speculating in a market rep that I told you guys 4%. Okay, is because the book and consequently we did a checkup in the graph. However, next week, I showed the spreadsheet. They are set up a squeeze. Okay, be careful with buy bearish bias at the beginning of the next week. Look like Monday and Tuesday, it's a squeeze setup. Because if they want to sink the market, on Funk Day, of course, they make never sell cheaper. They sell higher. Be careful with bearish bias on Monday, on Tuesday. On Funk Day, It's not so clear what's gonna happen, but the put call rate is too slow. Also, they can bring the market, more high Monday, Tuesday, and also on Wednesday. Okay, so we're going back to December 15th. The market, the books is already bearish, even very lower levels. Of course, that $1 million levels, can be closed, before the expiration date, especially if we close on Friday at 3,800 and 19. So these order, this contract supposed to be costing more than $20. So the player that trades these, could be closed on Friday and make a lot of money as well. But my concern is because the beginning of the week. If you guys tell me about what's gonna happen on Friday, I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't wanna guess. The best thing to do is a straddle. Why? Because you will talk more than $3 trillion in contract expiration only for SPX, only for the cash index. Of course, the put call rate, show me, make me interpret that we will see a very huge head day on Friday. It makes sense what I'm saying because makers sell higher. So they squeeze people Monday through Wednesday. Be careful with bias, bearish bias in the beginning of the next week. The book is set up for a squeeze. Okay? We could be test 4K? Yes. Why you could be test 4K? Now let's go to the gamma. Okay? Because we have gamma at 4K. And gamma, work as a magneto. So they are, I told you guys the vacuum at 3,950, 3,900, right? So as you can see in 3,900 over here, that's the end of the vacuum. So we can close the gap, but you don't have too much gamma lower. So that's totally reasonable regarding gamma, pure mathematics. Regarding gamma, we vacuum up to 3,900, a little bit lower, and then we go back to test the major gamma at 4K. Okay? And consequently, then we go lower again because the put call rate on December 16 and also this order here from December 20. That the first time that print a bearish order after December 16. That make me conclude that December 16 will be the really reversal. The downtrend really start, the really sell off will start in December 16. See, that's December 20. And looks like that the retail is bullish. Retail is bullish and makers not. Okay? And at end of the month, they sold a lot of calls. Okay? They sold a lot of calls. Take care, guys.